Hi, I'm Jessica.
And I'm Mayuri.
And we're the co-owners of iStyle EDU. We're just being silly.
Listen, we work hard, we play hard.
Exactly. So we wanted to create a nice video for you today where we talk about the different types of containers you can use for your floral arrangements.
Absolutely.
So we're going to take you through Mayuri's showroom right now, and she's going to point out some of the probably more popular ones and maybe the not so popular, but they're great and unique. So if your client's looking for something special,
Absolutely. This isn't a demo area by all means, guys. So I'm not going by category. I'm going as it's displayed, and it's like all mixed in. So bear with me as we go through. So the first one, I love the Mercury. Don't you?
yes,
Yeah.
love Mercury.
So Mercury, obviously, they're very expensive.
Yep.
They come in silver, they come in gold, different tones of gold, and different sizes. Just means it's more expensive, or the a little bit less expensive, but more or less they're all expensive. So I love Mercury.
Yeah, they are.
Yeah, they are. So, and another thing I love is vintage jars. So for your vintage weddings, or rustic weddings, these are great jars. I really love using them. So that's another element. And look, here we go. Another types of Mercury. This is like more of that antique gold, I'm gonna say. So you have that. Which one's your favorite, Jess, here?
I don't know.
You don't know?
I'm not a blingy person, so I would probably do something a little.
You're more modern,
Plainer.
I'm gonna say. You would do more modern. I think
Yeah.
you would go for more like the glass look.
Yes,
I can
I
see
did.
you
For
with
my
like
wedding,
a
I
silver
did.
element in it, right?
Yeah.
I don't see you. Would you do gold? No, I think silver.
I'm a gray girl.
Yeah, absolutely. So here, she would do something like this, but I would have to like convince you to do that.
Yeah.
But this is another Mercury. That's not
I
her.
personally am
She's
not.
more like absolutely modern, streamlined. Now this is contemporary style, so you could have tall cylinders. Something like this is great for the escort car table.
Yes.
When you have a nice foyer and a chandelier, I think that's fantastic. Here we have
A
our
monster?
gold, huh?
A monster.
Yeah, gold urn, and they're matching. We do this rental because it's made out of silk as a price point kind of weddings, but we do them in fresh as well. So those are great containers. These are metal, so those are great. I love this container, but not many people want it because
No.
it's expensive.
And it's a little old school.
Exactly.
So you have to have that.
You know what it is? I am going to be saying I'm old school. I've been in this business 25 years. So when I say nosegay or tuzzy muzzy, people are like, what? Like they don't know those words. They're old school flower words. Big trend. Galvanized,
Yes, I've seen
rustic.
that.
So absolutely, you could do that as well.
Super simple, and these are affordable, right?
These are affordable. Guests can take home.
Yeah.
So you want to, like when you get containers, I try to tell bride, like if you're going to get something that's expensive, then let us take it back so it's cost effective. But then if it's simple enough, then let the guest take it home. We don't want to do,
Yeah.
sit there and collect those either.
Yeah.
There's various ways to add all of these, like here. This is my favorite.
I love that one.
Yeah, I love the wax on it. And, one time one of my employees went to clean it up. I'm like, no, don't clean it. I love it. I love the look of it. So I love the vintage look, different types of vintage jar, moss. So that really does help. And here's the wooden box. So I love the wooden box. Isn't that neat?
These I love. You can put cupcakes in here too. But,
Yes.
These are a great way to add
Put like
some
a
color
rose and
texture,
succulent.
Yeah.
Yeah.
To a table.
It makes a great escort card table, as well as an accent to the floral piece. So here we go. More types of, container centerpieces. So this is a gold candelabra. So we typically do a glass on top so it catches all the wax. And then we do a real pillar candles in here. But I love these guys because they are LED, because a lot of the outdoor venues that I work at, they do not allow real candle. So
You always have to ask.
Yeah, so LED ones are great. Another one of my favorites.
I love these.
Custom made. It's over a glass, laser cut gold. They come in different designs. You have to design them. So
If you have a Cricut,
you could do it.
this is what you would
It's
create on
painful.
it.
It's painful to work on it. Another way to bring dress stick is This does not scream rustic, then what else would?
Bird cage.
Yeah.
And then you can have flowers spewing out of it.
I've done actually a bouquet holder here, and then put a candle in here. Done different
All right,
things.
let's see. What else do we have?
Gorgeous glass.
This is beautiful.
You could see the gorgeous, gorgeous container. Then you put your flowers on top. And this is for like statement piece, and your guest gets to take that big thing home.
Ooh.
Yeah. And manzanita branches in a wooden box, or you could do in a clear, or you could do it in a ceramic container. And here's your other cylinder glass with a natural rustic curly willow inside. You have your tropical trumpet wasp, people call it. I call it Pilsner wasp. You know, it's potato, right, kind of thing. You submerge orchids or submerge mini calla vases in another vase, and this is one of my contraptions that I created. And
These
then,
are.
so
Aren't these for Christmas trees? I have them for my Christmas tree.
Do you?
Yeah.
So what happened was I wanted to hang these crystals, and I kept on losing money, so I ended up creating this contraption. And my dad actually got this fabricated for me in India with the holes, and we sat here and we assembled it together. Isn't it cool?
Yep.
Yeah. There's so much you can learn from our classes, whether you're learning about different types of containers, how to use them, how to prep them, and what texture and elements to use. Oh, I do like that. I like it because it's like a little vintagey. It's a little bit old, and this is great for the sweetheart table. I have 2 of those, and I love to do the arrangements for the sweetheart table on that. Of course, who doesn't like manzanita branches? I get tired of it every now and then I'm like, come right back to it. So I go through my periods of things. Love the old-fashioned look of the silver vases, but these are not silver. They're plastic. Cheap. You can go out there. But versus this, now, if you did this, guess what? You just times 5 your budget.
Yep.
Just because of that container.
What else do we have over here?
Here we can do like brass candles, more mercury, solid gold container.
See, I like this one.
Yeah.
I have a couple of these.
Yeah. I mean, and this one is nice too. This has been quite popular. So the way we design these guys, because these guys are so expensive, is we design them in a separate container. So the guest takes this and we bring this back because they are expensive, but they're very pretty.
And here's another one. Does this look familiar? You take, actually it is a Corona bottle, so you take an old Corona bottle and you spray paint it and you can use them.
Yeah. And of course, candelabras, they add, you know, forever statement pieces to lots of types of events.
This one's different.
I love this one because it has a birch, so it's a natural birch log slices, and then they attach it to another container which is galvanized. But when it gets wet, it's kind of
Not
difficult. Well, it's extra work that I have to do to kind of, you know, take care of it.
Oh my god, I've looked at this table 1,000 times and I've never noticed
Oh,
this
really?
little beauty over
Oh,
here.
there's another cute one. I don't know where did it go.
Is this meant for the flower girl?
Yes.
Beautiful.
And also bridesmaids, they can carry that.
Yes.
So that's really, really cute. And have you check out that ring bearer pillow?
Super rustic. Nice.
Yeah.
I like this too.
You want to know what that is?
A mailbox.
No. I had a client who showed me, like, oh, they want a pew box like this.
Oh, genius.
And you can't buy this because it's not out there.
You
so,
made it?
No, I come up with design. My dad makes it.
So you
So
have
my-
a bunch of these?
Yes. So I rent them. Yes, my dad, I don't know what I would do without him.
Or it could be a little pocketbook.
And now. And this is just like more elements. I love using books for my brides and grooms who are super into academics and, you know, just reading a lot. And so I love doing my books thing also. So I think that caps a lot of different types of textures and containers and shapes and sizes.
Yeah.
Come and learn more with us at
www.istyleedu.com. and visit us on Facebook and Instagram at iStyleEDU. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. It's somewhere down there. And this way we can deliver nice little videos to your inbox.
And the newsletter on our website.
Yes, lots of helpful info.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.